On the slopes of Mount Ohi in South Evia, at an altitude of 1,000 meters, lies the ancient forest of Kastanologgos. Kastanologgos is what remains of the ancient wild chestnut forests in the wider region of South Evia. Most trees in the forest are 450 years old. The youngest tree is 150 years old. For the last century, no new chestnut trees had grown. The reckless exploitation of soil and timber, and diseases, had decimated the existing trees. At the same time, overgrazing was preventing the forest from reproducing at its natural rate. Since 1945, the forest area had been rapidly decreasing, with only 240,000 square meters of trees remaining. In 2018, we undertook the support of a long-term, ambitious project: the salvation, the rebirth, and the doubling of Kastanologgos. With a total investment of €1.5 million, and in collaboration with the Forestry Department and local authorities, we aim to bring new life to a forest of 660,000 square meters. A network of forest roads and fire line was created, to provide access and fire protection, while more than 13,000 meters of fencing were installed to protect young trees from grazing. A strategic selection was made for the areas of densification, and the creation of a new forest. For 3 years, there was continuous collection of seeds from the wild chestnut trees of the forest, and healthy seeds were selected with great care, for cultivation in the plant nursery. The cultivation of the new plants took about a year. During the first few months, the plants grew in controlled humidity and temperature conditions. They were then taken outside for a few months, to be integrated with the natural environment. Thus, 30,000 healthy trees were born out of the seeds of the forest, for the regeneration of Kastanologgos. Young chestnut trees were gradually transplanted into the fenced reforestation areas. Irrigation tanks, and over 126,000 meters of central irrigation network, were installed to water all new trees. Today, the systematic care and protection of young trees continues, until they can survive on their own. Now, the rescue plan for Kastanologgos seems to be bearing fruit, and new chestnut trees are growing in the forest, for the first time in 150 years. Protected and cared for, Kastanologgos is coming back to life, unfolding its ancient magic. A visionary social project of Principia, with a time horizon of several hundred years, that we are all proud of.